Loner, of course.
Again, and he shows great ability to get past his man, and all the forward has to do is get on the end of it, which he does so well. It's a really nice finish.